I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, constructions. We shall briefly consider some basic and important constructions that are needed to further our study of geometry. To bisect a line segment, here is an example given to you. Draw a line segment AB is equals to 6 centimeter and bisect it using a ruler and compass. Student, one thing, whenever you do construction work, you should always remember that your pencil should be sharpened, okay, the tip should be pointed, right? Example 1 is, you have to draw a line segment. AB is equals to 6 centimeter. Using a ruler and compass, we have to bisect it, okay? Now, the steps of construction. Number 1, draw a line segment AB is equals to 6 centimeter. 2, with A as center and with radius more than half of AB, draw arcs on either side of AB. 3, next, with B as center and with the same radius, draw arcs cutting the previous arcs on either side of AB. 4, the arcs drawn meet at point C and D. Join CD, which bisects AB at M. Then M bisects line AB into 2 equal parts, as you can see here. Okay. Verification, measure AM and BM. Okay, AM and BM. So you will find that AM is equals to BM. Note, if we measure angle DMB, we will find the angle DMB is equals to 90 degree. The CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Number 2, to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment, the steps of construction would be the same as above, right? Next, to draw an angle equal to given angle. Example 2, construct an angle equal to a given angle PQR. Steps of constructions. Number 1, draw angle PQR. 2, draw ray OX. 3, with Q as center and with any radius, draw an arc cutting PQ and QR at A and B respectively. Number 4, with O as center and the same radius, draw an arc cutting OX at C. 5, with C as center and radius as AB, cut the arc at D. 6, join OD and produce it to any point Y. Angle YOX is equals to angle PQR. Then angle YOX is the required angle, and verification. If we measure angle PQR and angle YOX with a protector, we know that both these angles will be equal to each other. Okay. Next, how to bisect an angle. Example 3. An angle AOB is given, bisect it. Okay, angle AOB is given. We have to bisect it just. With center O, draw an angle AOB with any convenient radius and arc cutting OA and OB at point P and Q respectively. 2, with P as a center, draw an arc with radius more than half of length of PQ. Number 3, with center Q and with the same radius, draw another arc cutting the previous arc at R. Number 4, join OR and produce it to any point X. 5, the ray OX bisects angle AOB. Verification, measure angle AOX and BOX with the protector. We will find that angle AOX is equals to angle BOX. Next, to draw a perpendicular line to a given line from a point on it. Example, a line AB is given with a point P on it. Draw a perpendicular line through P on AB. Steps of constructions. Number 1, draw a line AB and mark a point P on it. Okay. 2, with center P and any radius, draw a semicircle to intersect AB at X and Y. 3, with center X and any radius more than PX, draw an arc. 4, with center Y and the same radius, draw another arc cutting the previously drawn arc at Q. 5, join PQ, which is perpendicular to AB. Next, to draw a line perpendicular to given line from a point outside it. Example 5, a line AB is given, P is a point outside it, draw a line through P perpendicular to AB. Steps of constructions. Draw a line AB and mark a point P on the same plane, right? Number 2, with the point P as center and with the convenient radius, draw an arc cutting AB at X and Y. 3, with X as center and a radius greater than half XY, draw an arc on the opposite side of P. 4, with Y as center and the same radius, draw another arc cutting the previous arc at Q. 5, join PQ cutting AB at R. Then PR is a required perpendicular on AB. Verification, we have to measure angle PRB. So we would find that angle PRB is equals to 90 degree. Next, to draw a line parallel to a given line through a point outside it. We have already learned that if a transversal cut two parallel lines, then the alternate angles are equal. We make use of this property in constructing a line parallel to a given line XY through a point P outside it. Number 1, steps of construction. Take any point Q on X line segment XY and P not on line segment XY. Okay. Number 2, join PQ. With QS center, draw an arc cutting XY and PQ at A and B respectively. 4. With center P and the same radius as in step 3, draw an arc on the opposite side of AB to cut QP at C. 5. With center C and radius equal to AB, draw an arc cutting the arc drawn in step 4 at D. 6. Join PD and produce it to other side. Okay. Then PD is the required line parallel to XY. So verification: with the help of a protractor, measure angle CPD and EAQB. You will find that both these two angles are equal. Okay. Exercise 21.1. Draw a line segment AB is equals to 8 centimeter. Find the midpoint P of AB and measure AP. Students, now you will do practice of this construction work. Okay.